Alright, I'm going to show you how to share a website on your Android phone, and the first step, of course, would be to open up your browser and find the site or page that you want to share. It doesn't matter what browser you use for this, but most people are probably going to be using Google Chrome, so I'm going to use that to demonstrate this. So we'll just navigate to a website or an article that you want to share. I'll open a blog post here, for example. And then to share this, I'm going to tap these three dots here in the top right corner. And within this menu, we'll see a little share button here, so we'll tap that. And you'll see this type of share menu open up. Here you'll see some suggested destinations on the top. Those could be folders, contacts, other devices, that type of stuff. There's also some suggested apps here on the bottom, and we could tap those to send this website to that app, or more specifically, a link to the website. On some phones, you can scroll the suggested app side to side, or like on this phone right here, I can actually scroll up and down to share this article to any app on my phone. The popular option would be to send it through a text message, so I could tap the Messages app here, for example, and then I can choose a conversation from my recent conversations. Or I can tap that little magnifying glass and type in a name or phone number, but I'll pick a conversation from my recent conversations here. And then, once that is selected, we will tap Next. That'll take me to the conversation, and the phone copies a link to the website right here, so I can just send that out. Or if you want, you could add a message to that, either in the same text message, or you could type it as a separate message. Just make sure to type the message on a separate row, because if you change even one letter in the actual link, it's not going to work. If I go back to my browser, we can go to that same share menu, and now that I shared it once with Messages, we'll see there's a little Messages icon here. So now I could tap that, and it directly takes me to the Messages app, because my phone sort of learned that this is my preferred way of sharing websites. But of course, if you want, you can just tap the share button here from the middle and access all your options for sharing the page, whether that's via text messages, email, or something else. Anyways, that's how you share a website on your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.